Bonjour les étudiants. Good evening, my students. Welcome to Richa Ma'am's class. Today we are going to learn passé composé. Passé composé is the simple past tense in French which can be used with two auxiliary verbs like avoir and être. But today we are going to learn with the avoir. It means one action happened in the past. One action you have started and completed in the past. There only we use the passé composé. And the helping verbs are hier. Hier means yesterday. It could be with matin, yesterday morning, après midi, right? Afternoon. Le week-end dernier. Dernier means last. Le week-end dernier means last weekend. Le mois dernier means last month. La semaine dernière means last week. So these are some helping words that you can see in a sentence. It will help you in finding which is the passé composé. Now today we are going to learn passé composé with the avoir auxiliary verb. It means here you need to learn the present tense of avoir like j'ai, tu as, you have, il, elle a, he, she has, nous avons, we have, vous avez, you have, ils, elles ont, they have. Correct? Now, when we are talking about regular ER verb, we will remove ER. Instead of ER, we will write the E with accent. Like for example, parler. Parler means to speak. I will remove ER and remain spelling with will remain with me like PARL. ER is removed and I will write E with accent. Clear? Third part is IR verb, regular IR verb. I will remove IR and instead of that I will be remaining. IR, finir. Finir means to finish. And for in the passé composé it will be fini. RE, I will remove RE. Instead of RE, I will write U. Vendre means to sell. VENDRE. It's a regular verb with the RE. I will remove RE here and write VENDU. Right? For example, I would like to explain with the affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and the inversion. In the affirmative sentences, for example, il achète une règle. He is purchasing one scale. Now, how I converted ER is regular ER verb. So, il के साथ I will use avoir. It means a. Then acheter, ACHETE. It means he purchased a scale. How I will use the negative form? Il finit ses devoirs. Means he is finishing his work. Now I need to convert in the passé composé. So il, then a. For the finir, past participle will be finir. Okay. What we have learned, we have always learned in the negative form, ne pas will come around the verb which is conjugated. So this verb is conjugated. I will use an apostrophe a and then pas. So il n'a pas fini ses devoirs. He has not finished his homework. Is it clear? हमारा जो न पा है, it will not come with the past participle. It will always be conjugated with the verb which is conjugated, right? And now in the inversion, vous vendrez les fruits. You are selling the fruits. Now in the inversion, what we have learned? Verb will come first. So in the vendre, what is the verb which is conjugated? Avoir. So it will be avez, A capital, avez, dash, vous, and the past participle will come here. Vendra will be vendu. Okay? Have you sell the fruits? Have you sold the fruits? Is it clear? So thank you friends. Thank you students. Hope you like my session.